Alright, what's up everybody? In this episode, you're gonna see us have to move Legacy over to Brighton. So we just got a U-Haul truck and we are on our way right now to Legacy to pack that bad boy up and bring it over to Brighton. Alright, so I have one of our cleaners' husbands and her brother-in-law at Legacy right now. They're taking apart all the beds and getting everything ready. So I'm taking the U-Haul over to Legacy. I'm going to drop it off. They're going to load it up, and then once it's loaded, I'm going to take it over to Brighton, and then they're going to offload the truck over there. And hopefully, I only have this truck until 7 p.m. So hopefully we can get it all done in time. Today's moving day, baby. Let's go.
We have Ryan here trying to see if he can back this U-Haul in without hitting anybody's cars. And it looks like he was successful in backing up the U-Haul.
There, boys.
The CEO getting to work.
Yeah, man, getting her done. Even the art. So these come off really easy, man. Just screws. Yeah. I didn't think I was gonna make it all in one trip there, in one shot.
I was just talking about how the benefits of the Airbnb business is once lease ends on one property, you can just move your furniture to another property.
Yeah, it's true. So
Saves you on the overhead costs.
that's one of the great things. Yeah, we're gonna definitely save. We have to buy a little bit of furniture, but nothing crazy. Maybe $1,000, $1,500. But yeah, we'll be able to profit right away on this one. Here's the thing: I've had this one since the 15th, so today's the 23rd. So we've already had this place for 8 days. I've already had Vanilla Trail for 23 days. I gotta get both these places on the market ASAP because I'm literally losing money right now. That's the downside of the business.
Yep, there you go. Some reality for you guys.
That's reality. The first milestone is to get to 10 properties. I mean, really, my first milestone was 5. We hit that now, right? So that's 5. Now I want to get to 10. Once you hit 5 properties, that's when you can start automating a little bit. Actually, a lot of it. So we'll bring in somebody to help us automate our bookings, like the Airbnb side of things. Ultimately, the goal is to have something that's really, 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 really passive. So I don't have to stress about these things on move day. So that's what we're doing. We're working hard, and we try to play harder. Need a trip soon.
Soon.
Well, it's worth it. We wouldn't do it if it wasn't worth it. That's for sure. Now, I'm off to Stacked to get my daily omelet. I'm back at Brighton. We spent quite a bit of time here today. Jeanette had a cleaning at Concord. She did that. Then I took her and I dropped her off over here at Brighton. Then I went over to Legacy and I grabbed all the last things over there, brought them back here to Brighton. Then I went over to Vanilla Trail. I'm actually meeting with a couple people. I got a super sweet deal on some arcades. All right, so today is the last day of staging for Vanilla Trail. We have photos coming tomorrow at 11 a.m. So we've been doing all the last minute things that we had to do. But once the clock is on, you gotta rush, and make sure you get it done. So I don't want to give too much away here, but just look at this. Here's the sneak peek. And look at this room. It is absolutely gorgeous. This room really came together, and I'm going to show you guys the rest of the house at the end of this video. Which at the old house?
Yeah.
Okay, come this way. You're on camera, man.
Yeah.
Welcome to the vlog. Remember the big room at the old house? The other one? The soft cushion?
Yeah.
The soft mattress?
Yeah.
That's this one.
Yeah.
Okay. It's tight space. Would you agree?
Yeah, it's definitely.
Yeah, it's definitely got like it's tighter in some ways. It's cool in other ways though. Like this island is gorgeous behind you. Love the backsplash. You gotta go with like a 6-seater here.
Yeah.
But that was probably one of the easiest moves I've ever endured. It's nice because there's not a bunch of junk, right? Like you just have your Airbnb stuff, you got your furniture, you bring it, you drop it off. But yeah, that's Airbnb life. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna get you some pizza, some water. All right, you got some food. I have to have the truck back by 7, so as long as it's offloaded by then.
Yeah, we did that.
Yeah. Then that's good. All right, I'll be back in a bit with some food, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
You gotta feed these boys. Boy gotta eat. All right, let's roll. Okay guys, the house is ready. It's time to check it out. All right. My foyer, you come in, it's very nice and inviting. To the immaculate games room. Look at this thing, it's amazing. It looks so good. All right, we got our NBA Jam, got our Pac-Man, Got our sweet foosball table. It's looking so good. Then from the games room, you get to go to the kitchen. Oh, look at that. Look at our little welcome package too. Do you see that? We love putting that out for our guests. Little coffee bar, right? And then from the kitchen, look at that. Look at that dining room. Isn't that amazing? Well staged. Staging is so important. I've talked about that a million times. And then from the dining room, we have the living room. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the staging in here. It's so nice. All right, living room. All right, so up the stairs we go. And look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. You come up the stairs. And first thing you have is this beautiful, beautiful loft area. Area to read at night, maybe lay down, just hang out and chill. Okay, and now I'm going to show you guys the bedrooms. Look at these immaculate bedrooms. Okay, so here's our junior suite. Woo! Look how nice that is. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Bathroom here. It's actually a Jack and Jill bathroom. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And then from here, we go to one of the smaller bedrooms. Look how nice it is. Isn't it just staged so nice? It's homey. It's gorgeous. Go to small bedroom number 2 with an ensuite. It's got its own little ensuite. The lighting's not so good on this camera right now, but still staged very, very nice. Have the beautiful ensuite. There we go. Gotta hit the right switch. Look at that. Isn't that so nice? Okay, and then from here, we go to the master. Look at that view as you come in. That is our master bedroom, and it is gorgeous. I'm going to open up these blinds so you can just see how nice it is. Look at that. Look at the color of that comforter. Just so cozy. Nice and spacious in here. And then we have the master bathroom. Stand-up shower. Soaker tub. Beautiful art. Look at that art that we put in here. That's so nice. I'm telling you guys, the art makes it. The art absolutely makes it. All right, so that's it for this episode. Please, please, please like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Comment on the video below as well if you have any questions, if you have any insight, if you have any feedback, let us know. But that's it for this week, guys. We will see you in the next episode.